Do you want to know how you can log into your CAPS payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your CAPS payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for CAPS payroll login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official site of CAPS, a cast and crew company, which is a payroll company for commercials, music tours, live events and extras. You can see the crew login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on crew login, or if you go to resources, you can see some of the resources over here. We need to log into our account, so go ahead and click on crew login. It will take you to the official login portal of CAPS payroll account. Wait for a while and this page will open up. Go ahead and write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address, you can also click Remember Me, or else you can just click Next. After clicking Next, write down your password in the second box and make sure you look at the password by clicking on this eye icon. Then go ahead and click Sign In. This way, you can successfully log into your CAPS payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have a CAPS account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click Start My Registration and you can create a CAPS account today. I hope this video about how you can log into your CAPS payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.